The brinacle, or finger of death, forms in freezing polar waters when cold, salty water sinks and freezes everything it touches, rapidly encasing marine life in ice. It's a dangerous and mysterious phenomenon.
Come on, come on. Turn. Je komt eraan, hè? Woo! Dit is het.
Wow.
Hij heeft hem voor ons. Dit is niet te geloven. En Elio die staat gewoon aan de andere kant.
Watch this mini-fire race across the park, burning only the surface while leaving perfectly green grass underneath. Mind-blowing nature at work. Danger lurked in the Andes, a deadly shortcut where nature's brutal mudflow turned paradise into a split-second fight for survival. Nature's hidden masterpiece, as rare rainbow clouds paint the sky with spectacular colors. Earth's fury unleashed as a massive landslide devours everything in its path. Sea cucumber's feeding method is absolutely fascinating. With this clever technique, this invertebrate is always well fed and never goes hungry.
Did he get him? Holy! Jeez, I don't believe.
Watch as this quick-thinking animal chooses humans over becoming an orca's lunch.
Interfere with why that guy deserves to live.
Some chase dreams, but these storm hunters caught the brutal birth of a tornado that'll make even veterans drop their jaws. A massive 14-meter anaconda emerged near a village in Minas Gerais, Brazil, leaving locals stunned by the incredible size and primal power of this formidable predator. Witness this incredible volcanic eruption as scorching hot magma bursts through the surface. The intense contrast between the fiery red lava and billowing smoke creates one of nature's most magnificent yet dangerous spectacles on Earth. Watch as these majestic penguins gather and dive gracefully into the crystal-clear waters. Truly, one in a billion moments in nature. Ground rumbled beneath villagers' feet as boiling mud shot 40 feet into the air after a well drilling project hit a hot water pocket 1,000 feet underground. Miraculously, no one was injured in this supernatural-like event that created a sinkhole in the small Indian village. The dolphins are agitating the tiny life forms in the water that light up with a special chemical reaction as a result. Do you think the dolphins enjoy it as much as we do? The breathtaking beauty of these peaks captivates us all. Yet the devastating avalanche serves as a powerful reminder that nature's wild forces command our deepest respect. Storm clouds can be nature's ultimate pranksters, creating tsunami-like illusions that send hearts racing. Thankfully, these dramatic sky displays are all show and no danger. Listen up, Baikal's ice is dropping the most mind-blowing soundtrack nature's ever composed. Shocking footage shows dozens of killer whales attacking 2 adult gray whales in an unprecedented hunt. Marine experts call this behavior extremely rare, as orcas typically only target calves, making this coordinated takedown of full-grown grays a once-in-a-lifetime capture on camera. A tree burning from the inside after a lightning strike, when nature creates its own insanely impressive natural fireplace. Baikal's frozen waves, where Siberia turns nature's most epic ice show into pure magic.
Are you kidding me?
Mother Nature's ultimate thief, caught in the act.
There's Jason's.
Massive python slithers across busy road in Dehradun, India, stopping traffic in its tracks. Watch as this giant reptile makes its unexpected journey, reminding us that wildlife and urban life sometimes collide in the most spectacular ways. Family drama in the jungle, as these silverbacks settle their beef the old-fashioned way.